Right, now what's next? Yeah. So Robin and Daniel. This is part of the opening melee in Romeo and Juliet, where the Capulets and Montagues go at each other on a hot summer day. And we're going to take it slow first, and the fight tells a story. A fight is like a good song or musical. You should know more about the characters after the fight than before the fight. So we see how it's going to look slow motion, and we see how the thought process of the fight goes. You guys ready? Want to go ahead and take it slow motion, and I'll do a bit of narration as we go. So they go on guard. These two guys love fighting. They really don't want to kill each other. They just love roughhousing in public. Let's go ahead and start from the beginning again, so a little bit slower. Okay, I just didn't get a chance to talk. Can you guys sit her up? Okay. So you're going to see a couple of moves you didn't see in the demo, like cutting at the feet, cutting at the head, and you'll see some fisticuff get into this as well. Okay, go a little bit slower so we can see the thought process. It's like a chess game. If he goes here, I'm going to go there, and go. Okay, so freeze. Notice how he went to the high line first, which brought his sword up here. Then he shifted and went low, hoping I could get there before you could get there. You know? So you see the chess game going on. From the top. And go. Now come the daggers. There. You saw what he did there was he did a feint. He attacked here, but it wasn't where he really meant to go, and as soon as he lured him into defending, he dropped his point and went for the other attack, hoping he couldn't go here and go, oh, I get it, and try to get to the other place in time, hoping he'd score. Can you go back a few beats and show that again? Yeah. Okay, yeah. It's hard to jump into the middle. How about where you draw the daggers? All right. Nice and half speed. Okay, freeze. That one never fails. Oh, look! Back in the 1600s, they were doing it. They were doing it. He gets it in the butt. Oh! They're called disarms. Give us an excuse to punch each other. Ooh, stomach punch. Tries to hit him again, the elbow blocks. Oh, tries for a rabbit punch, gets taken down. Face punch. Pushes the guy, down he goes. Both of their swords. All right. And if you want to see how that fight ends, you got to come tomorrow night. That was yours, it was mine, that was mine, this one was yours. Alright, you guys ready? Okay, two guys fighting, equal talent. They just love to pick on each other, just for the fun of it, is what you're supposed to get from the fight. Full speed, and go.